everyone. I, Kirti Vishwanath, Assistant Professor, Department of Biotechnology, going to present a lecture on the topic DNA repair. It's my content, which includes introduction, definition, types of mistakes in DNA, types of repair system. It is of two types: photoreactivation and exertion repair. In exertion repair, there are three types: BER, NER, and mismatch repair. Now let's see the introduction. Introduction. DNA is relatively a fragile molecule and can be easily damaged. Why DNA is called as fragile molecule? The fragility of DNA molecule is determined by its length. Larger DNA molecule above 2 into 10 to the power 8 daltons is highly susceptible to breakage during handling. DNA repair refers to a collection of process by which a cell identifies and corrects damage to the DNA molecule that encode genome. However, in eukaryotes, many mistakes occur during replication. In any case, the uprightness of the DNA molecule may be preserved, and for this, all living thing possesses continuous mechanism in the body to repair the damage. Now let's see the definition. The process of immediate correction of temporary damage to DNA is known as DNA repair. DNA damage, if not repaired, may affect replication and transcription, leading to mutation or cell death. What is mutation now? Mutation is a change that occurs in our DNA sequence either due to mistake when the DNA is copied or as the result of environmental factors such as UV light and various types of smoke. Now let us see types of mistakes in DNA. Several types of mistakes have been detected in DNA molecules. These are replication error, depurination, alteration of base, breaks in DNA molecule. Now what is replication error? Replication error can also involve insertion or deletion of nucleotide bases that occurred during the process called strand slippage. Now, what is depurination? Depurination is a chemical reaction of purine, deoxyribonucleosides, deoxyadenosine and deoxyguanosine and ribonucleoside adenosine and guanosine, in which the beta and glycosidic bond is hydrolytically cleaved, releasing a nucleic base adenine and guanine respectively. Now, what is alteration of bases? This type of mutation occurs when the addition or loss of DNA bases change a gene reading frame. Breaks in DNA molecule. Double-stranded breaks in DNA form as a result of exposure of exogenous agents such as radiation, means UV radiation, and certain chemical as well as through endogenous process including DNA replication and repair. Now let us see the repair. Types of repair system. The first type of repair system is photoreactivation. As the name photoreactivation, it is a light repair mechanism requiring the enzyme deoxyribopyrimidine photolysis is coded by PHR gene. Photolase are DNA repair enzyme that repair damaged DNA caused by exposure of UV light. Now let us understand through diagram. As you can see in the diagram, there is a thymine dimer. The thymine dimer. When the photolase enzyme come and binds the dimer, it repairs this, and the free enzyme is out and the repaired DNA is here. Now Exertion repair. The exertion repair mechanism are enzymatic process independent of light, means it does not require light for repair, and are known as damage repair process. Exertion repair refers to the general mechanism of DNA repair that work by removing the damaged portion of DNA molecule. There are three types, namely BER and NER and mismatch repair. As you can see, again there is a dimer, thymine dimer. The endonuclease enzyme cuts that thymine dimer, and the DNA polymerase enzyme try to fill the gap, because polymerase enzyme, the function of polymerase enzyme is for the polymerization of nucleic acid to form a polymeric strand. So from there the polymerase enzyme work here, and after that the DNA ligase enzyme help to seal that, and the defective piece, exertion of the defective piece by 5' to 3' endonuclease enzyme is done, and the exertion repair system is completed. Now after that, base exertion repair. It is also called AP repair. The bases cytosine, adenine and guanine can undergo spontaneous depurination to respective from uracil, xanthine and xanthine. This altered base do not exist in the normal DNA and therefore need to be removed. This is carried out by base exertion repair. Following enzymes are involved: uracil DNA glycolase, AP endonuclease, DNA polymerase and ligase. Next, as you can see that this is that as you can see, this is normal DNA, means A binds with T and G binds with C. And in defective DNA, you can see that in the place of C, U has came. Uracil DNA glycolase enzyme removes the uracil, and one AP site is formed here, which is now repaired by endonuclease, AP endonuclease. AP site is known as A basic site also. Now, the DNA polymerase enzyme and ligase enzyme help to repair this portion. So, as you can see in here, that A binds with T, C binds with G, same in the place of U, C has came as a normal DNA, and T binds with A. This is repair DS DNA. Nucleotide excision repair. It is also called as UV damage repair. The repair enzyme keep DNA under constant surveillance and simply reserve the damage. Excision nuclease. UVRA, UVRB, UVRC, UVRD. This is the diagram which explains the process of nucleotide excision repair. Then mismatch repair. Excision repair triggered by mismatch is referred to as mismatch repair, which encompass about 99% of all DNA repair. As DNA polymerase replicate DNA, some errors are made that the proofreading polymerase does not correct, as you can see in the diagram. Then this is my reference. Thank you.